Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a professional account on Instagram. Launch Instagram, go to profile, tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu proceed to settings, go to account, scroll down and you will see switch to professional account. Select it, then tap on continue. Select categories, for example, digital creator or education or another. Also, you can enable display on profile your business account. Then tap on done. After, select business, tap on next. And here you can add your location, your phone number, your email. Do not use my contact info if you want it. If you want to use your contact, tap on next. And of course you can connect your Facebook. I just tap on skip. Then tap on X at the top right corner. And now you create a business account on Instagram. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.